Get ready for a sweet and spicy ride. This mango pineapple salsa with a kick of jalapeno is sunshine with a bite. What I have here, I have half a purple onion, 1 bunch of cilantro cut up, about 5 spears of pineapple, 4 or 5, 1 jalapeno, half a red pepper, half a green pepper, and 1 mango and its juices. And then I have 2 limes, okay? So we are gonna start here. We're gonna just add that all in. Smells so good. You don't have to put a whole jalapeno in, or you can put 2 in, whatever your preference is, whatever your heat preference is. Okay. Now, before we even give this a mix, let's give them another rub. We like rubbing the limes. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to put in a pinch of my Baja mineral salt. There we go. And let's give this a stir. And as this sits over the next little while we prep the chicken and whatnot for our chicken quesadillas, this is just going to kind of sauce up a little bit and just infuse with flavor. It's going to be so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so fresh. Take a look at that. Does that not look so good? Oh, it's going to be delightful. Okay, we're going to put that aside. And that's how easy it is to make like a fresh salsa for, you know, whatever you're making, whether it's tacos, burritos, fajitas. Even on a salad, it's nice. Cheers from my kitchen to yours. I hope you enjoy.